Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject Service Marketing, we will be discussing consumer behavior, its meaning, and consumer decision making process. Okay, these 2 points will be covered in today's lecture. Now, consumer. Who is consumer? Okay, see, in one of the last lecture, we have highlighted the difference between consumer and customer. Okay, who is consumer? Consumer is a person who ultimately consumes or uses a particular product. Okay, then customer. Who is customer? Customer is a person who regularly purchases a product. Okay, now this person, this customer, he might use that product or he might pass it on to another person for consumption purpose. Okay, so whenever we go through the concept of customer as well as consumer, okay, many of the time these two words they are used interchangeably. Okay, these two words they are used interchangeably, but okay, they are not one and the same. ओके, कोण असतो कस्टमर? कस्टमर असा व्यक्ती असतो जो एखादा गुड, एखादा प्रोडक्ट, ओके, तो विकत घेतो. ओके, अँड ही बिल्ड्स अ कस्टम मीन्स रेग्युलरली ही परचेसेस प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, नाव दिस पर्सन, हा जो व्यक्ती आहे तो स्वतः ते गुड यूज करेल किंवा काय करेल, तो पास ऑन करेल. ओके, कोणाला तरी ते गुड देऊन टाकेल. ओके, अशा प्रकारच्या व्यक्तीला आपण काय म्हणतो? कस्टमर असं म्हणतो. ओके, अँड द सेकंड पार्ट, ओके, विच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आर लेक्चर टुडे, ओके, दॅट इज कन्झ्युमर. ओके, हू इज कन्झ्युमर? सी, ॲज द वर्ड इट सेल्फ सजेस्ट, कन्झ्युम. Okay, this person, he is meant to consume the product which he has purchased. Okay, he is meant to purchase the product, okay, as well as he uses that product. Okay, ultimately he uses that product, consumes that product, so he is called as consumer. Okay, now consumer behavior means what? Yes, okay, see, a person, why he purchases a particular brand, why he purchases a particular product. Okay, there are n number of reasons behind it. Okay, there are n number of reasons behind it. Okay, see, many of the time a person behaves in this way, a person behaves in that way. Okay, the particular action or reaction whichever is generated by that person, okay, it is his behavior. Okay, see, we have gone through a word perception. Okay, what is perception? Perception means his viewpoint, a person's viewpoint. Okay, see, in the same sense, okay, why a particular person reacts differently from one another. Okay, why a person reacts differently from one another is all about the behavior. Okay, now in today's lecture, let's first discuss the meaning of consumer behavior. See, consumer behavior, okay, it is a study of how individual customers, groups, or organization select, buy, use, and dispose ideas, goods, and services to satisfy their needs and wants. Okay, means why a particular person selects a product, why he purchases that product, why he uses the same product. Okay, and whenever he gets satisfied by consuming that product, whenever his needs and wants are satisfied, okay, why he does mouth publicity. Okay, all this why is somewhere related to his behavior. Okay, now the consumer behavior, it refers to the actions of the consumers in the marketplace and the underlying motives for those actions. Okay, means what is consumer behavior? See, consumer behavior includes, okay, includes the motives, okay, the motives or the factors which are responsible, the factors which are responsible through which this person has purchased a particular good or he has used a particular good. Okay, getting it? So, the study of consumer behavior, the study of consumer behavior assumes that the consumers are actors in the marketplace. Okay, it is considered that okay, consumer is the main factor. Yes, consumer is main factor around whom the market and the marketing activities revolve. Okay, so marketers, they expect that by understanding what causes the consumers to buy particular good and service, they will be able to determine which products are needed in the marketplace, which are obsolete, and how best to present the goods to the consumers. Okay, see, why marketers do study consumer behavior? What is the motive behind it? See, okay, if they are ignorant what the consumer likes, what the consumer dislikes, okay, what the consumer needs, what the consumer dislikes, okay, if they are, that is the marketers, if they are ignorant about these things, okay, if they are ignorant about these things, then what will happen? Yes, which product should be generated? Okay, the product which is generated, the product which is dispatched in the market, which is distributed, which is sold, okay, whether it is user friendly, whether it is consumer friendly or not, they will not know it. Okay, and in the next production activity, whether to continue or discontinue, okay, whether to continue or discontinue the particular production activity, okay, they will not be knowing. So for that itself consumer behavior study is done. ओके, बघा कन्झ्युमर बिहेवियरची स्टडी का केली जाते, ओके, त्याच्या मागे मोटिव्ह काय आहे, तर ओके, एखादा पर्टिक्युलर प्रोडक्ट, ओके, एखादा पर्टिक्युलर प्रोडक्ट जे प्रोड्यूस केलेलं आहे, एखादं पर्टिक्युलर प्रोडक्ट जे प्रोड्यूस केलेलं आहे, ते प्रोडक्ट नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये पुन्हा प्रोड्यूस करायचं की नाही. ओके, जे प्रोडक्ट आपण डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केलेलं आहे, ते प्रोडक्ट नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये ओके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचं की नाही, किंवा ओके प्रोडक्शन कंटिन्यू करायचं आहे की डिस्कंटिन्यू करायचं आहे, की त्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये कोणत्या प्रकारचे मॉडिफिकेशन्स एक्सपेक्टेड आहेत. ओके, आपलं प्रोडक्ट जे आहे ते युजर फ्रेंडली आहे का, कन्झ्युमर फ्रेंडली आहे का. ओके, कन्झ्युमरनी एकदा आपलं प्रोडक्ट परचेस केलं तर पुन्हा तो रिपर्चेस आपलं प्रोडक्ट करतोय का. ओके, ह्या सर्व गोष्टी कुठून क्लिअर होतात. ओके, whenever we will be studying the consumer behavior itself, it will be clear to us. Okay, getting it? So the study of consumer behavior, it does assumes that the consumers are actors in the marketplace. Okay, actors in the marketplace means what? Okay, actors means active factors. Okay, active factors among or related to whom your production, distribution, selling, all this activity should be revolving. ओके, म्हणजे तुमच्या बिझनेस थ्रू, तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशन थ्रू ज्या सर्व ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कंडक्ट केल्या जातात, ओके, तुमच्या बिझनेस थ्रू, ओके, ज्या सर्व ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कंडक्ट केले जातात, येस, once again I am repeating that thing, it should be always C to C. Okay, it should be always C to C. What is C to C? Yes, okay, I think you remember C to C. C to C means, yes, the production activity, it should be starting at customer needs or consumer needs, and it should always be ending at consumer or customer satisfaction. Okay, means, okay, if whenever you are generating a product, okay, right from the selection of the production idea till your good is sold, till your product is sold, okay, if you consider the consumer need And as per the need, if you develop a product and present a product in the market, surely it will be consumer friendly. It will be, yes, it will be more and more purchased. Okay, more and more means, okay, it will be purchased by the consumer. Okay, or else what will happen? Yes, okay, if without considering the consumer needs, if you have produced a product, okay, if you have produced a product, okay, and presented the said product in the market, okay, without considering the consumer needs, if you have presented a product in the market, okay, then whether it will be liked by the consumers. See, if the consumers don't need the product, okay, they will not purchase the product. Okay, why they will be paying price for the product which is not needed by them? They don't have desire, they don't have want. Okay, and why they will be purchasing your product then? Is it? So, okay, if you're clear with this, then surely, yes, you should be doing a thing that is consumer behavior study. Okay, the perspective of role theory assumes that consumers play various roles in the marketplace. See, okay, consumer, unless until he purchases your product, okay, your objectives, okay, objectives of your business, objectives of your organization, they will not be satisfied. Okay, baga, consumer is the king of the market, right? Okay, nowadays frequently we do hear this phrase. What is it? Consumer is the king of the market means what? Okay, whether to offer him sword, whether to offer him crown, is it needed? No. Okay. What we should be doing then? Yes, we should treat this person as the king of the market, because unless until this person purchases your product, unless until this person purchases your product, your production activity, distribution activity, selling activity, okay, and the related objectives, okay, it will not be accomplished by it. Is it? Okay. Then, so everything, every activity should start at consumer and it should end at consumer. Okay, for this, when a particular consumer reacts, when this particular person acts, okay, all these things you are supposed to get through it. Okay, you are supposed to get through it. Okay, then see what you should be doing. Yes, you should start from the information provided from the user to the payer and to the disposer. Consumers, okay, play all these roles in the decision making process or decision process. Okay, see why a particular consumer purchases a particular product. Okay, what goes or what happens in his mind? Is it? It is called as decision process, right? Okay, say there are n number of brands available in the market. Okay, for example pen. Okay, easily if you do a guesswork, okay, at least you will be able to highlight 10 brands of the pen product. Is it? Okay, if someone asks you, okay, if someone asks you, okay, to give, okay, the names of 10 brands producing pen, okay, easily, okay, within a fraction of second you will be telling those 10 brands, right? Okay, so whenever so many brands are available of particular product, okay, when so many brands of a particular product they are available, why that person selects a brand? ओके 10 ब्रँड अवेलेबल आहेत पेनचे. ओके, त्यातला एकच ब्रँड तो व्यक्ती का सिलेक्ट करतो? ओके, द स्टडी रिलेटेड टू दिस इज ऑल अबाउट कंझ्युमर बिहेवियर. Okay, now let's see some of the definitions of consumer behavior. See, according to Frederick Webster, consumer buying behavior is all psychological, social, and physical behavior of potential customers as they become aware of evaluate, purchase, consume, and tell other people about products and services. Okay, see this person, this thinker, how he has given the definition of consumer buying behavior. Okay, what he has said, it is all about psychological. Psychological means the mental phase of that person. Social, okay, means his social status or okay the background or the social system in which he is in existence. Okay, then physical behavior means his personal behavior or his individual behavior. Okay, all this behaviors, okay, all these factors of this potential customer means okay ज्याला मराठीमध्ये संभाव्य ग्राहक असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, ॲज दे बिकम अवेअर ऑफ okay these people through all the senses, that is psychological, social and physical behavior. Okay, they become aware about some brands, some products. Okay, after that what they do, yes, they get the info or they collect information of the particular product. Okay, they highlight the features. Okay, if the features of the particular product they are matching with the needs of this person realized. Okay, if it is matching, the features are matching to the needs of that person, what he does then, he purchases that product. Okay, if it is not matching, then he doesn't purchase the or he rejects the purchase. Is it? According to Engel, Blackwell, and Mansard, consumer behavior is the actions and decision processes of people who purchase goods and services for personal consumption. Okay, see, whenever we think about consumer, this person, okay, how we have defined this person. ओके, कन्झ्युमर कोण असतो? कन्झ्युमर हा असा व्यक्ती असतो ज्याने ते गुड परचेस केलेलं आहे आणि त्या गुड किंवा त्या प्रोडक्टचं कन्झम्शन किंवा यूज आहे तो स्वतःच करतो. ओके, अँड ही गेट्स द सॅटिस्फॅक्शन ऑफ हिज नीड्स. ओके, such type of person is called as consumer. In the same sense, this person has purchased the product for satisfying his need. ओके, त्याचे नीड्स सॅटिस्फाय करण्यासाठीच त्याने ते प्रोडक्ट परचेस केलेले आहे. बरोबर आहे? ओके, नाव while purchasing, while he was conducting this action, how he has decided, what was his decision process. Okay, how he has decided to purchase a particular brand itself, what was the motive behind it. All these things, they are included in the study of consumer behavior. Okay, getting it? According to Loudon and Bitta, consumer buying behavior is the decision process and physical activity which individuals engage in when evaluating, acquiring, using, or disposing of goods and services. Okay, see, in consumer behavior, what is done? Yes, it is all about the decision process which is taken by, okay, or the decision process adopted by the consumer, okay, whether to select a product or reject a product. Okay, and the second phase is physical activity. Physical activity means what? This person visits the shopkeeper or particular store. Okay, after that he shows the willingness to purchase a product. Okay, he shows the willingness to purchase a product. Then what he does, okay, whenever he is doing the decision process, okay, म्हणजे एखादा प्रोडक्ट परचेस करायचं की नाही करायचं, याच्यामध्ये ह्या अल्टरनेटिव्हमध्ये जेव्हा तो सिलेक्ट करत असतो, ओके, योग्य अल्टरनेटिव्ह जेव्हा तो सिलेक्ट करत असतो, म्हणजे हे प्रोडक्ट आपण विकत घ्यायचं की रिजेक्ट करायचं, देर आर सम फॅक्टर्स. ओके, व्हॉट ही डज, First, okay, he collects the information of that product. He evaluates the features of the product. ओके, बघा तुम्हाला पर्टिक्युलर एखादा पेन घ्यायचा असेल आणि समजा ओके तुम्हाला ब्लॅक पेन घ्यायचा आहे. ओके, ब्लॅक इंक बॉल पेन विकत घ्यायचा असेल. ओके, आणि याच्या आधी तुम्ही असा पर्टिक्युलर ब्लॅक पॉईंट पेन घेतला नव्हता. तुम्ही काय करता? येस, तुम्ही त्या शॉपला विजिट करता. येस, यू विजिट दॅट स्टेशनरी शॉप, राईट? ओके, आफ्टर दॅट वॉट यू डू? Yes, you ask the shopkeeper, okay, or you show your willingness, right? मला अशा प्रकारे ब्लॅक पॉईंट पेन हवा आहे. ओके, तो व्यक्ती काय करतो? तो शॉपकीपर काय करतो? 2 ते 3 पेन, ओके, तुमच्या बजेटनुसार तुम्हाला तो बजेट विचारून ओके 2 ते 3 बॉल पेन तुमच्यासमोर ठेवतो. ओके, आता आपण आपली नेहमीची सवय आपण काय करतो? येस, we hold that pen, right? We hold that pen. After that, okay, we trace, we try to trace it. Is it? We try to trace it, we try to write it down. Okay, write through that pen. By using that pen we try to write. Is it? This process happens. Okay, after evaluating 2 or 3 options which is provided or which is offered by that shopkeeper, what we do? Finally we do select one from it. ओके, तिन्ही घेतो का आपण? नाही. एखादाच बॉलपेन आपण घेतो, एखादाच बॉलपेन आपण घेतो. ओके, जो आपल्याला जर स्मूथ वाटेल, ज्याचं रायटिंग स्मूथ वाटेल, ओके, जर कम्फर्टेबल वाटेल, ओके, आणि प्लस आपल्या बजेटमध्ये असेल अशा प्रकारचा पेन आपण सिलेक्ट करतो. बरोबर आहे? इज इट? ओके, सो what we have done? We have compared. Okay, we have evaluated the features of the particular product. After that, what we did? Yes, we showed the consent, or okay, we reflected the consent, or we gave the consent to that person. ओके, हा पेन मी विकत घेतो किंवा हा पेन मी विकत घेते, अशा प्रकारे आपण त्यांना कन्सेंट कळवतो. वी पे the price of that particular product and we acquire it. आपण घेतो ते product. We start using that product. Okay, after the use of that product is completed, okay, usually if it is use and throw pen, okay, use and throw pen समजा घेतलेला असेल, okay, use and throwचाच अर्थ काय आहे? Okay, use that product and after you use that product, okay, if the refill or the ink it is finished, what we do? We throw it, right? We throw that product in the dustbin, right? Okay, in the same sense, after you consume the good, what you will be doing? Yes, once your needs are satisfied, you throw that, right? You dispose that. So right from the decision till the physical activity which you conduct for acquiring that product, all this thing is a part of consumer behavior. Then let's see the consumer decision making process. Okay, say consumer decision process, it happens in 5 stages. Okay, consumer decision making process, it happens in 5 stages. Okay, see, once again let me focus on C2C. Yes, all the activities of modern businesses, they are C2C. C2C means, yes, they start at consumer needs or customer needs and they should always be ending at customer satisfaction. Okay, because it will be reflected in somewhere in these steps. Okay, so consumer decision making process, it happens in 5 stages or 5 steps. Okay, the chronology of the said consumer decision process, okay, starts with need recognition, then information search, then evaluation of alternatives, then purchase decisions and post purchase behavior. Okay, so consumer decision making process involves the consumers to identify their needs, gather information, evaluate alternatives, and then make their buying decision process. The consumer behavior may be determined by economic and psychological factors, okay, which influence the consumer buying, as well as which are influenced by environmental factors like social and cultural values. The consumer decision making behavior is very complex procedure in nature and involves everything starting from problem recognition to post purchase activities. Every consumers have different needs in their daily lives, okay, and to satisfy these needs itself, ओके, हे नीड सॅटिस्फाय करण्यासाठीच ओके तो काय करतो, तो व्यक्ती बरेचसे डिसिजन्स फायनलाइज करत असतो. सो डिसिजन्स कॅन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स in nature, okay, and you need to compare, evaluate, select as well as purchase variety of product to satisfy your particular need. The renters understand and realize the basic problem of the consumer decision making process for marketers to make their products and services different from others in the marketplace. Okay, now whenever we consider consumer buying decision making process, okay, what is consumer decision making process? Yes, the buying behavior model is one of the method which is used by marketers for identifying and tracing the decision making process of a customer from the start to end. The process is categorized into 5 different stages. Okay, let's see the first stage. First one is need recognition. Okay, need recognition. What is it? See, need is recognized. Okay, need is identified. Need recognition occurs when a consumer exactly determines his needs. ओके, म्हणजे ह्या कस्टमरला, ह्या कन्झ्युमरला त्याची काय नीड आहे ते आयडेंटिफाय होते. ओके, म्हणजे मला एखादं प्रोडक्ट गरजेचं आहे हे अशा प्रकारचं रिअलायझेशन त्याला होतं. कन्झ्युमर्स मे फील लाईक दे आर मिसिंग आउट समथिंग and needs to address this issue so as to fill in the gaps. Okay, when business are able to determine when their target market starts developing these needs or wants, they can avail the ideal opportunity to advertise their brands. Okay, see, when the consumer needs a particular product, okay, after identifying this thing, if the marketer market their product, advertise their product, surely the consumer needs will be met by your product. Is it? For example, the ad of cold drinks, okay, the ad of cold drink or ad of ice cream, when it should be reflected? Yes, surely it should be reflected at the start of summer season. Okay, when the summer season starts, okay, at the time itself your ad should be reflected. Is it? And particularly in the afternoon, in the summer afternoon, your ad should be reflected. Why? Yes, whenever the person, the consumer, okay, he is feeling hot, he is feeling that heat, okay, whenever his need is in such a way, if your ad is reflected, if your advertisement is reflected at the same point, okay, he will purchase that product, he will purchase that product, or he will show his willingness to purchase that product. Okay, and at that time, yes, your product should be available in the market. Okay, only showing the advertisement is not enough. Okay, when the person is willing to purchase that product, okay, your product should be available in the market. Okay, second thing is information search. Okay, information search. What is information search? Information search means, okay, whenever the need is recognized by the consumer, okay, means he is feeling thirsty. For example, it is a summer season, okay, and that person in the afternoon, this consumer, he is feeling thirsty, and his thirst is not quenched by consuming water. Okay, his thirst is not quenched, okay, or satisfied by drinking cold water. Yes, he realized that I should, yes, I should consume ice cream or I should consume cold drink. Okay, now he starts collecting information related to cold drink or ice cream. Okay, means this particular product, that is ice cream or cold drink, where it is available, where it will be available. Okay, such type of information, okay, such type of information related to availability of that product, okay, related to availability of that product, okay, is, yes, it is searched by whom? It is searched by the consumers. Okay, so what the, how the information is searched? See, they ask for some recommendations. Okay, they ask some people to refer it. Okay, or there are some sources. Okay, there are four sources of it. First one is commercial sources, okay, in which advertisement, promotional campaigns, sales, sell people or packaging of a particular product is included. Then personal sources, the needs are discussed with family and friends. Okay, this family and friends, what they do, they provide product recommendation. Okay, they recommend particular product. Okay, after that, public sources, that is radio, newspaper, magazines, they also reflect some of the advertisements. Then experiential sources, okay, means own experience. Last time whenever you were feeling thirsty, at the time you might have consumed some ice cream or cold drink, is it? So same product, okay, you might consume this time also, right? Same product you can consume this time also. So okay, these are the four sources through which information can be gathered, collected. Okay, then after you collect information related to product, okay, as a consumer you switch over towards third option, third step, that is evaluation of alternatives. See, for example, yes, you are about to consume ice cream. Okay, you are in need of ice cream, you will be purchasing ice cream. Okay, now whenever we consider ice cream, this product, okay, there are many more brands prevailing into this sector. Okay, ice cream म्हटलं की दोन तीन तरी किमान, ओके, बेस्ट सेलिंग ब्रँड्स आपल्यासमोर येतात. ओके, आता यातला योग्य पर्याय कोणता, यातलं कोणतं प्रोडक्ट आपण सिलेक्ट करायचं. ओके, अशा प्रकारचं थिंकिंग कशामध्ये येतं? इव्हॅल्युएशन ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव्स. वेन एव्हर यू हॅव 2 or 3 ऑप्शन्स or more than that number, okay, if you have 10 options, which is the best, which is the best option? Okay, evaluating this, okay, evaluating this, comparing this itself is included in evaluation of alternative. Then it is purchase decision. Okay, purchase decision, what is purchase decision? See, there are 10 options before you, there are 10 options before you. Okay, the features of which product is more matching towards our need. ओके, कुठल्या प्रोडक्टचे फीचर्स जास्त आपल्या नीड्सशी मॅच होतात हे बघून, ओके, आपण काय करतो, एक प्रोडक्ट, त्या 10 प्रोडक्टपैकी एक प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट करतो आणि परचेस करतो. ओके, देन पोस्ट परचेस बिहेवियर. पोस्ट परचेस बिहेवियर, okay, what is post purchase behavior? See, after you consume the product, okay, as a consumer, after you consume a product, okay, how you felt, okay, whether your needs are satisfied or not. Okay, for example, तुम्ही आईस्क्रीम खरेदी केलं, आईस्क्रीम तुम्ही कंझ्युम केलं, ओके, ते आईस्क्रीम खाल्लं. ओके, आईस्क्रीम खाल्ल्यानंतर, ओके, किंवा मीनवाईल खाताना, ओके, ते आईस्क्रीम जे होतं ते स्वीटच नव्हतं. ओके, ते सोर होतं. चालेल का? नाही चालणार. ओके, सी आफ्टर यू कन्झ्युम दॅट प्रोडक्ट, वेदर you were satisfied, whether your needs are satisfied or not. Okay, this is included in post purchase behavior. So your decision making process, it starts with need recognition, then information search, then evaluation of alternatives, then purchase decision, then post purchase behavior. Okay, so with this we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.